Financial Aid Tools on CaliforniaColleges.edu. 2024 CSAC Statewide Financial Aid Workshops.
Since 2018, California Education Code 51225 has required public schools serving students in grades 9 through 12 to provide information on how to properly complete and submit a financial aid application before they start the 12th grade. To support schools with this mission, CaliforniaColleges.edu provides grade-level specific financial aid lessons which are designed with California students in mind.
A user logs into their CaliforniaColleges.edu account and then uses the menu to navigate to My Plan and then Lessons. The Financial Aid tab is then selected to show available content.
Our lessons are fully translatable using our accessibility menu, which enables users to experience the platform in a way that fits their individual needs.
In the accessibility menu, users can translate the page to their preferred language or make selections for increased accessibility. Some additional options include highlighting links, pausing animations, and hiding images.
Users can utilize the accessibility menu to enable a screen reader, increase contrast, adjust text size and spacing, and change fonts. 6th through 10th grade students can access introductory financial aid lessons which cover the foundational financial aid topics, including the different types of aid available, how to qualify for free aid, and how to determine the costs of attending college. The 11th grade lessons support students in determining which financial aid application is appropriate for them to submit and provides a list of materials they will need to complete their free application for federal student aid, also known as FAFSA, or the California DREAM Act application. SB 153, which was signed this July, says that all local education agencies, or LEAs, are to advise students to complete the 11th grade financial aid lessons on CaliforniaColleges.edu. For 12th grade students, the lessons focus on actionable knowledge. The lessons provide seniors with step-by-step instructions that are tailored to the application they are submitting. Students' financial aid checklists help them stay on track throughout the application process and have been updated to reflect recent changes to the FAFSA and California DREAM Act application.
The checklist can be accessed from the drop-down labeled To Do when viewing the financial aid lessons.
Seniors can launch their financial aid application directly from CaliforniaColleges.edu anytime during the application cycle, enabling them to track whether their application has been submitted and completed, including the status of their Cal Grant GPA verification. When students launch their application from CaliforniaColleges.edu, educators can pull reports that track which students have begun their applications and verify that student applications have been submitted and completed. These reports are updated daily due to our data sharing agreement with the California Student Aid Commission, or CSAC. Beginning this fall, the report titled Download Only, Current College Eligibility and Application Statuses will provide educators with a spreadsheet displaying the CSU, UC, and California Community College application statuses of all seniors alongside their financial aid application status. This report provides a unique opportunity for educators to monitor in one place the post-secondary application statuses for all students and provide targeted support to those students who need it the most.
Speaker, Omar Marquez, Assistant Principal, Valley View High School.
The financial aid tools on CaliforniaColleges.edu have proven invaluable to our students, parents, and counselors. The financial aid lessons provide families with a step-by-step guide on completing both the FAFSA and California DREAM Act application, including a checklist of essential documents and required information. We utilize the reporting tools to track which students have submitted their financial aid applications and ensure our counselors follow up with every senior throughout the process. Centralizing our college, career, and financial aid planning on one platform has been advantageous, providing all stakeholders with easy access to essential information.
The future of California depends on the success of all students. At CaliforniaColleges.edu, we believe that all students deserve the opportunity to succeed. Our goal is to streamline the college application and financial aid process so that more students across the state are empowered to enter into their college of choice and have the financial aid means to pay for it.
Learn more at CaliforniaColleges.edu/learn more/.